What is the cheapest time of year for tree removal in Louisville, Kentucky? In most cases, the late fall and winter months, especially December through February, are the most affordable. Tree companies are usually less busy then, since landscaping and trimming slow down. Trees are also dormant, which can make removal faster and safer. On the other hand, spring and summer tend to cost more because demand is high after storms and during peak growing season. If you need any help, contact with Tino's Tree Service. Address: 8600 Charleston Way, Shelbyville, Kentucky 40065. Phone number: 502-321-9373. Website: tinostreeservice.com. If this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.